Okay. I look really rough. Alright, so the reason why I'm looking rough is because I had swimming today. But anyways, welcome to another mystery box unboxing. So this is my package here that I received. And it looks just like that. Here's my address and whatever. I'm not going to show that. And anyways, this lighting is so bogus right now, but I'm gonna make a video anyways. But anyways, let's get right into this video. I'm ready to unbox this, and yeah. So first we're going to just cut it right here, and just keep cutting. I'm gonna keep trying to talk so I don't get copyrighted, and I'm just gonna cut right here, and then I'm gonna tear right here to open this box. And yeah, we're already almost there. So we're gonna see a bunch of bubble wrap. And I'm gonna take that out, do a little bubble wrap ASMR. And again, I'm talking really fast because I don't want to get copyrighted. And also, I really hope I get monetized. Yes, Mom, I'm making a video. But anyways, hopefully I didn't get copyrighted right there. But here we go. Alright, and then after that you will see 1, 2, and oh my gosh, what can this be? Alright guys, so this is what I received today. I received a spin pop socket. Oh, you can barely see that, but it looks just like that. Let me take it out of the bag so you guys can see it. And it retails for $10, but for DSW it is $7. And I actually got this for free. So this is how it looks like. Here's another up close, and it looks super cute. I really hope you guys like this video, and also be sure to keep watching and stay tuned for more videos. If you guys are interested in getting gift cards just by scanning your receipts, check down the link below. And also, if you guys are interested in freebies, check out the link below. My mouth is super watery and whatever, but yeah, I'm gonna end the video here, and also know that that's all I loves you.